CrystalSound is an AI-powered tool that improves audio quality by removing background noise during calls, meetings, and recordings. It integrates with popular platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack, and is best suited for content creators, customer support, and remote teams. CrystalSound suppresses background noise, including animals, construction, and loud appliances. It can isolate your voice even when others are talking nearby, ideal for crowded co-working spaces. The app works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux and integrates with any app that uses your microphone, such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and Slack. CrystalSound removes background noise, making it easier to hear others during calls. This is helpful for call centers and customer support roles. The strength of noise removal can be adjusted with a slider. CrystalSound allows for easy application of effects like reverb or a robot filter to your voice. This is useful for voice actors looking to create a spooky atmosphere or for adding some excitement to a Zoom meeting. Additionally, the app offers helpful effects like echo removal and voice smoothing to improve audio quality in case of choppy Wi-Fi. CrystalSound offers voice isolation and noise removal for audio recordings of any length, without the need for advanced editing tools. It can also equalize volume to improve the listening experience. CrystalSound uses AI technology to remove background noise during calls, recordings, and meetings, allowing you to speak without interruption. Get lifetime access now.